Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to cover 3 of the most important tools in trading: setting break even, layering positions and taking partials. These are the things that will keep you safe, maximise profits and remove stress when you're following signals in the group. Remember, risk is the most important priority. Even the best setups can flip against you in seconds because Forex is just such a volatile market. The key isn't just winning trades, it's protecting your capital so you can stay in the game. So first up, what is break even? Break even simply means moving your stop loss to your entry point once the trade is in profit. The purpose is simple, it removes the risk. From that moment on, you can't lose on that trade anymore. Why is this important? Because too many traders see their trade go into profit, feel confident, and then watch it all reverse all the way back down to a loss. Setting break even protects you from that. It also gives you peace of mind. You can focus on other setups instead of babysitting one trade. Sometimes you can even move your stop a few pips past your entry. That way, even if price snaps back, you can secure a small profit. This is really useful in volatile markets where reversals are common. The key is timing. Don't move your stop too early or you'll get stopped out by a normal market noise. Instead, wait until the price is cleared a structure level or hit your personal rule. For example, 1-to-1 risk to reward or a certain pip count. The mindset is protect first, profit second, don't adjust randomly, always stick to a plan. Next, let's talk about layering. Layering means adding multiple positions in the same direction during a strong trend. Instead of just holding on one trade, you're stacking onto the move. Why do we do this? Because it allows us to maximize a trending market without risking everything on one entry. It's like scaling into momentum as it proves itself. For example, imagine price breaks out, you enter a buy, then it pulls back to form a higher low, sorry. That's a great chance to add another position. Now you've got 2 entries working for you as the trend continues. But, and this is key, layering must be done with discipline. You don't just pile on positions in a choppy or sideways market. Because that's how you blow accounts. You only layer when the trend is confirmed and your risk management is still in check. In this group, when we send signals that allow layering, you always get guidance on when and where to add safely. Finally, let's cover partials. Taking partials simply means closing part of your trade while letting the rest run. For example, closing half your position once the trade hits your first target and leaving the other half open to see if price runs further. Why is this so important? Because it locks in profit and reduces pressure. You know you've already banked money, so you can let the rest ride without stress. It's one of the most important ways to stay consistent. A few common ways to take partials is close a percentage at 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 risk to reward. Basically, if it reaches 50 pips, take 50%. And then if it reaches the next take profit, take another 50%. You can close half the trade, secure your profit and let just the rest ride bigger. That way you've won no matter what happens next. Remember, partials are not weakness, they're professional. They make sure you're paid for being right while still giving you a chance to make more. To just sum it up, break-even points protect your account and removes the risks. Layering lets you take advantage of strong trends, and partials secure profits and reduce stress. These are the exact tools we use in the group to trade smart, not emotional. When you follow the signals, you'll often see instructions like move stop to break even or take partials here. Now you know exactly why we do it and how it benefits you. At the end of the day, it's not about chasing one big win. It's about consistency, growth, and protecting your capital. That's how you last in the Forex game.